Dorsal Metacarpal Arteries. 5 questions and answers. Do the dorsal metacarpal arteries arise from the dorsal carpal arch? Yes, the dorsal metacarpal arteries arise from the dorsal carpal arch. Do the dorsal metacarpal arteries divide into dorsal digital arteries? Yes, the dorsal metacarpal arteries are divided into dorsal digital arteries. Does the first dorsal metacarpal artery arise directly from the radial artery? Yes, the first dorsal metacarpal artery arises directly from the radial artery. Do dorsal metacarpal arteries anastomose with the deep palmar arch? Yes, the dorsal metacarpal arteries anastomose with the deep palmar arch. Dorsal metacarpal arteries anastomose with the deep palmar arch. Do they also anastomose with common palmar digital arteries? Yes, the dorsal metacarpal arteries anastomose with the deep palmar arch and common palmar digital arteries.